Now, let's take a look at the various types of investors. We had mentioned the term accredited investor a few times. Now, let's take a look at what it means. Again, with regards to the accredited investor, there are net worth requirements to be considered an accredited investor. And again, this is subject to change based on any new legislation. With regards to net worth, an accredited investor has to have $1 million or more, either alone or together with a spouse. And one thing to keep in mind is that this excludes the value of the person's primary residence. And there is also an earned income requirement that they exceed $200,000 or $300,000 together with the spouse in each of the prior 2 years. And there's a reasonable expectation that the same is going to be true for the current year.